Madam Yusek, during the preparation of your budget, like for example, so to speak, this fiscal year 2023, did you propose a line item on confidential funds, ma'am?
For 2023, we submitted in 2022. Ang submission po natin officially is May of 2022. So, wala po doon sa proposal namin yung confidential fund.
So, kailan po nyo naipasok yung confidential funds?
Your Honor, technically, submitted na po yung proposal ng 2023 by May. And then, pagdating ng July, August, may bagong administration. So, ang DBM po ay sumulat sa atin to confirm yung proposal na sinabmit ng May. Now, nung pong sinabmit namin yung proposal for 2023 in August, wala naman pong nakalagay na linya na confidential fund sa proposal, pero nung lumabas po yung NEP, National Expenditure Program, meron na pong nakalagay doon na confidential expense at 150 million.
So, Yusek, do you confirm that was the first time that DepEd proposed an item of confidential funds, ma'am?
Yes, Sir Honor. First time po sa Department of Education na magkaroon ng confidential.
So, kailan po yun naipasok? That was 2023?
National Expenditure Program, NEP 2023 po.
So, how the amount determined? Paano yung dinidetermine? At paano nyo nilalagay sa line item? Did you enter in the budget of DepEd? And then, what's the cost of this insertion, ma'am? Ano ang formula to put it as a line item of DCF?
Respectfully, Your Honor, I would like to defer to DBM, to the Department of Budget and Management, kasi sila na po yung nagpasok ng line item na confidential fund sa NEP.